In 2007, I walked into a therapist's office trying to get sober. And she said something that pissed me the F off. She looked at me and she said, "If you're okay, everything's okay." And I was like, that is bullshit. I actually walked out angry. I was paying her $400 an hour. Fast forward years later, I realized she was 100% right. But here's what she meant. When you're falling apart inside, everything in life feels heavy. Money feels messed up. Your marriage is harder. Your health just feels impossible. Work feels crushing. Because every problem gets filtered through a broken version of you. But when you start getting stronger and better, not perfect, but stronger, starts with walking, eating better, getting sober, thinking clearer, keeping promises to yourself and your family. Now, the same problem hit different because you can handle them. That was the lesson. If you're okay, everything starts getting better. Not because life gets easier, life is harder, but because you get stronger. And I think a lot of us men and women, but Gen X men, we got it backwards. You try to fix your marriage, you try to fix the money, fix the job, fix your kids, everybody but yourself. Fix the house, fix everything except yourself. Then we wonder why nothing changes. The foundation of your shit is cracked. You gotta fix you first. That's why I walk every day. That's why I simplified how I eat. That's why I talk about discipline. I'm not trying to be a health guru. I'm trying to become okay myself, because when I'm okay, I show up better for my wife, for my kids, for my business. I show up different. I'm better. I can build a future again. Maybe for you, it starts with food. Maybe putting down the bottle. Maybe a 10-minute walk. Maybe asking for help. Maybe admitting I need to work on me. It's not weakness, brother. That's where life starts. You fix one thing today, keep going, keep going, keep going. And if you're starting over like me, follow along. Type I'm in if you're going to do this too. And along with my coaching clients, I'm looking to start a small accountability group, mostly men, some women. If that sounds like you might get something out of, please let me know. I post 200 pieces of original social media a month, and I'm here for you. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow.